everyone, I am Aditi. Welcome to Theme Grill, and in this video I'll show you guys how to redirect the users after submission of forms using Everest Forms in WordPress. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Now, in order to redirect the users after the submission of form, firstly you need to create a form, and for that you need Everest Forms. So let's go to plugins, and here click on add plugins. And here you have search bar where you can type Everest Forms. So here you can see our Everest Forms, which has more than 100,000 active installations. So click on install now. So after installation, click on activate. Now that the plugin has been activated, you have been successfully redirected to this page where you can either create a new contact form or view all forms, which means you can view the default form created within the plugin. I'm going to go ahead and click on view all forms. Here you can see there is a form that has been created by default. If you want to, you can click on add new and create a new form for yourself as well. But for now, I'm going to go and edit this very form. So click on edit. Now here, this is the form builder area where you can drag and drop any field that you want from these field inserter. But as for now, I'm going to stick with the form that has been created here. Now, before we move on to redirection settings, firstly, you can copy the shortcode and then go ahead to pages. And you can see there's no page created for this particular form. So you can go to add page. You can just type forms. And here from the block inserter, you can quickly add the shortcode block. So this is our shortcode block. You can just simply drag and drop it. And here you can paste the copied shortcode. Publish this page. After you've published the page, let's go back to the Everest Forms. So this was the form that we were editing. So once you go here, now let's directly move ahead to the redirection setting. For that, you can see the setting option right on top. So click on it. And here, out of all these options, you can see this confirmation tab. So click on that. So this form confirmation, this entire section is dedicated for the redirection of your form. And inside this whole confirmation setting, you can see three major redirection settings. The first one is the same page. Now I have already by default clicked on this, and once you've clicked on this, you can see the success message that appears. You can of course change it and customize it to your liking, but for now I'm just going to leave it this way. Then you can also enable or disable the auto scroll to submission message. And here's your setting for after submission of forms behavior. So in this option, you can either reset the form or hide the form. Now, secondly, we have this redirect to custom page. Once you click on this, you can easily redirect the user to any of the created page that you can choose from this drop down menu. So among this, I have specially created this redirect here page for this very purpose. So I'm gonna select the same. And thirdly, you can click on to redirect to external URL. In this option, you can actually paste any URL wherever you want to redirect your user to. For example, it might be YouTube or any other social media platform or any other website as well. Once you've pasted it, you have the option to open it on the same tab or open it on a new tab. You can change the customization or setting to your liking. And similarly, enable or disable the append query string. Now, especially for this video, I will be choosing the second option, which is redirect to custom page, where I have chosen the redirect here page. So after all of this setting, click on save, and your changes will be saved. So now let's open an incognito window and see how our users will be redirected. So let's go to forms and fill out the forms. So here I have written this small application, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. And here I am successfully redirected to this page which says redirect here that we chose from the drop down menu. So in this way, you can easily redirect your users after the submission of forms. And not only that, you can also customize the look of your form. Let me go to backend, and here you can see all of these field options. You can make changes to it, and you can furthermore customize your form to make it look attractive, there are tons of customization options and tons of fields that can make your form much more informative for your users. And there are also some other fields available at the pro version of the plugin. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys want any further more tutorials for Everest Forms, I'll have the links in the description below. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.